Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install Mobile Legend. So let's get started. So to download and install Mobile Legend, what you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store. And after opening up your Play Store, in search bar you can search for Mobile Legend. After searching for Mobile Legends, you will come up to this page where you can find this Mobile Legend application. Now what you can do is just install by tapping on install. After tapping on install, here you can see your Mobile Legend application starts installing. And after completing the installation process, now what you can do is just tap on play. And after tapping on play, now what you can do is just create a Mobile Legend account, or if you have a Mobile Legend account already, what you can do is just log into your Mobile Legend account. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Mobile Legend. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.